Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tereesa. Welcome to the channel, Love Lady Tereesa, where we talk about all things home, garden, and travel adventures. Before we jump into today's video, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of my new subscribers. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Now, if you're not part of the family and you enjoy home decorating inspiration, shopping trips, gardening ideas, and beautiful spaces, we would absolutely love to have you here. Now go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification before you go so that you never miss a new video. All right, lovies, let's head inside and browse these aisles to see what we can get early before it sells out and before fall officially arrives. I know, it's still summer, but hear me out on this one. If you wait until you're actually ready to decorate for fall, many of these best pieces and popular pieces will already be gone. Every year, Hobby Lobby's most popular pumpkins, florals, wreaths, wall art, and designer-inspired decor items sell out long before the season officially begins. The neutral pieces especially tend to disappear first because they're just so versatile and timeless. And here's the best part. Everything is already 40% off. That means you can shop the best selection, save money, and avoid that last-minute rush. My advice? Grab your favorite pieces now while the selection is at its best. Then simply just tuck them away until you're ready to decorate. Future you will be so glad you did. There's nothing worse than finally getting in the mood for fall decorating or any kind of decorating, only to find out that the exact item you wanted is sold out. Shop early, save more, and enjoy decorating your home with the pieces you truly love when autumn officially arrives. So lovies, I won't be talking too much while we browse, but I will be showing you the prices. Also, I will have the most popular items that sell out really quickly linked in the description box below. Starting with the florals, one thing Hobby Lobby always gets right is their florals. These are beautiful. The eucalyptus stems, hydrangeas, wheat bundles, pampas grass, berries, maple leaves, and textured grasses that instantly create a cozy autumn feeling. So let's get into it. I came across this faux tree and it was originally $29.99, or it was marked down to $29.99, and then it was further marked down. Well, anyway, I got it on clearance, and they marked it down even further, and I got it for actually $7.99. It was damaged, but I'm just going to glue it back together and you won't be able to tell the difference. So that was a really good score. One of my favorite little decorating hacks is using fabric instead of ribbon. I always have my fabric cut at Hobby Lobby because it gives my projects a much bolder and vibrant look. And the best part, it can actually be more budget friendly than buying ribbon. So if you want to make a bigger statement without spending more, give fabric a try. You might not ever go back to ribbon. Actually might be one of my favorite finds today. Look at this beautiful framed fall artwork, complete with this beautiful velvet bow hanger. It's only $10.99 before the 40% off sale, making it such an incredible buy for anyone decorating on a budget. a lot of the same pumpkins that I've seen in previous years, but I will also say that a lot of the pumpkins this year are absolutely beautiful. I'm seeing a lot of the soft creams, warm browns, muted mustard tones, and some rich burnt oranges instead of the traditional bright orange Halloween colors. Everything feels elegant, timeless, and easy to mix into everyday home decor. Love planning ahead. But can we please get through fall first? I can't even believe that they have Christmas stuff out already. What about you guys? Are you guys ready for Christmas? Let me know in the comments. For me, it seems like it just comes earlier and earlier every single year. This year, I'm leaning into softer, more sophisticated fall color palette. Instead of bright oranges, I'm decorating with those warm browns, creams, mustards, maybe even some soft greens and natural woods, and maybe just a hint of burnt orange. I think these colors will create a cozy home that still feels elegant and timeless. Well, lovies, I think that's it. Thank you so much for shopping with me today. I hope this gave you lots of decorating inspiration and maybe even help you find a few pieces before they actually sell out. I'm serious, y'all. Grab them now. And let me know down in the comments, which item was your favorite? Are you decorating with traditional oranges this year? Or are you going with a more neutral palette like me? All right, lovies, if you enjoyed today's shop with me, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share button with a friend who loves decorating just as much as we all do. Until next time, spread love, y'all.
Hey, lovies, do me a favor. Click that like and subscribe button. It really helps out with the algorithm. Click the bell notification to receive new videos as soon as they drop. Thanks again for watching. Sincerely yours, Love Lady Tereesa.